You may not be first at first, but here's why next matters.
Last time I showed you Furst Ranch, you had to imagine it. Today, you get to see it.
Model homes are now open at Furst Ranch. I'm going to show you what's being built, why this community has gotten so much attention, and how people are gaining wealth just by living here.
Ready to make your move? Let's connect. Furst Ranch has partnered with 9 premier builders. The first phase of the community features homes on 50 to 80 foot wide lots. In this video, we're focusing on homes on 50-foot lots. After this tour, I'll share valuable tips. Then we'll break down the big picture and big payoff of living here.
We're starting this tour upstairs where the people in your home will relax and play.
Subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Game nights, lounge, or place to unplug without leaving home. A private upstairs suite, ideal for guests or whomever you think deserves this level of seclusion. Good luck with that. Lights down, close the door. This is where movie nights turn into an experience. Now let's head downstairs because this is where everything comes together. Dedicated office space could easily be a second media room, workout space, or whatever fits your lifestyle. This kitchen will ignite envy and inspiration from your guests. Designed to impress with function and elegance. Your place to escape, lock the door, hide the key, and take a deep breath. You've got real space here. Room to grill, gather, bring the indoors out. Dine al fresco. And adding a ceiling fan is non-negotiable. It's Texas. You'll thank me later. Beautiful downstairs ensuite, ideal for multi-generational living. Let's take a stroll next door to our second home of the tour. This one hits different. I can't wait to read your comments when you see the life-changing upstairs, especially if you have children living with you or frequent guests. You'll know exactly what I mean.
Let's take our tour of Coventry Homes.
Perfect for multi-generational living or long-term guests, this private ensuite offers comfort and separation. This is where focus meets flexibility. Whether it's work, planning, or a quiet reset time, this spacious office adapts to real life, not just the 9 to 5. This kitchen is designed for how people actually live. Modern cabinetry, a statement island, and enough space to cook, bake, do homework, or even knock out science projects. Step outside and it opens up into a lifestyle space built for connection. Morning coffee, weekend grilling, or just unwinding while the day slows down. The primary suite feels like a true escape. Spacious, private, and intentionally designed so you can exhale at the end of the day and fully reset. Remember at the beginning of this tour, I said you'll love upstairs if you have children or frequent guests? Let's check it out. A massive flex game room, dedicated media room, two additional en-suites, which brings the total of en-suites in this home to 3. Remember the one downstairs? A private third upstairs bedroom tucked away in its own wing. This floor plan is where lifestyle meets real life. From shared living below to completely elevated multi-zone living above. This makes people rethink how they use a home. Watching this video is smart. Allowing me to represent you may be your best move yet. Whether you're selling and moving to your next or finding your first, I help people protect and grow wealth through real estate. This is where it's different. You're not a transaction. You're stepping into a new chapter, a new community. We celebrate milestones together, creating meaningful experiences along the way. You'll have access to a trusted network of resources and partners supporting you before, during, and well beyond the move. When you're ready, let's connect. It's not just your house, it's your home. Well, there's a third option if you're interested in building on a 50-foot lot, but their model home wasn't quite ready, but when it is, we'll be back. And I'm sure you're excited about the elevated lifestyle of Furst Ranch, but before you race right over to the community, waltz into the model home and speak to the salespeople, here are some important tips that you should know before you go. 1, let's talk about price. Whenever we have these tours and we discuss price, we're talking about base model. Get you into the home, get you to the community so you can enjoy all the privileges of living there. At Furst Ranch, you'll find 24 distinct floor plans on 50-foot lots. Homes start generally under 2,000 square feet and extend over 3,000, giving you flexibility. Pricing typically begins around $600,000, and from there, it's based on the floor plan, lot selection, and level of design finishes you choose. But you don't do basic. So all of the upgrades that you saw in the home, well, those are going to be extra. But here's the good news. In Furst Ranch, the developer and the builders have decided we're going to give people an exceptional experience. Some of these homes, some of the items you see in the homes, they are going to be standard, but considered an optional upgrade in other communities. I mean, right there alone is worth the trip. Second tip to know before you go, and that is representation. So often I hear, hey Tracy, if I buy a brand new home in a brand new community, do I need a realtor? My answer to you is need, maybe not. Should you? Absolutely. And this is why. Think about it in the terms of business. When you go to the model home and you visit with the salespeople, they are very helpful. They are absolutely friendly and they want to help you. However, they do work for the builder, so they have a fiduciary duty there. Don't you deserve the same level of advocacy? Someone's going to look out for you and your best interests as the builder has with the salesperson. And guess what? Most builders will even pay for your realtor, your representation. Now, if they're willing to do that, that should tell you that representation is pretty important. And I would say, yes, you absolutely should have one. Call me, let's connect. If Furst Ranch feels like the place where you want to build your new memories, and call home.